Hey, Greedy Beanies, it's Marvy the T-Rex. Just kidding, it's me, Marvy. I'm just getting ready to play dress up, but before I do, here's another awesome video.
Mooga, mooga, mooga.
Loops. Mooga loops. Hello, Mooga. Do it, Mooga. Press the button. Wow, an egg. What's inside, Mooga? It's hatching, Mooga. It wants to play, Mooga. One, two, three. Wow, it likes when you copy it, Mooga. Do it, Mooga. 1, 2, 3 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yay! Now you move, Mooga. Go, Mooga, go. 1, 2, 3. Mooga, you're silly. See you next time.
How awesome was that? I'll see you later, Greeny Beanies. Rah!